Forex trading, short for foreign exchange trading, is the buying and selling of currencies. Traders aim to profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates. This global market offers exciting opportunities for individuals to participate in financial markets. It boasts high liquidity and operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. However, success in Forex trading hinges on a crucial factor: choosing a reliable Forex broker. A Forex broker acts as an intermediary, connecting traders to the global currency market. They provide the platform, tools, and services necessary for executing trades. Selecting a trustworthy broker is paramount to safeguard your investments and maximize your trading potential. A reliable Forex broker will offer a secure and regulated trading environment. They will provide transparent pricing, efficient trade execution, and access to essential trading tools. On the other hand, an unreliable or fraudulent broker can lead to financial losses, compromised personal information, and a frustrating trading experience. This essay will guide you through the essential features of a trustworthy Forex broker. We will explore how to evaluate potential brokers based on key criteria. Additionally, we will highlight red flags to help you avoid scams and unregulated brokers. By understanding these aspects, you can make informed decisions and embark on your Forex trading journey with confidence. When searching for a Forex broker, several essential features distinguish trustworthy operators. Regulation is paramount. Trustworthy brokers are regulated by reputable authorities like the NFA, CFTC, FCA, and ASIC. A user-friendly and stable trading platform is essential, offering real-time data and advanced tools. Clear account features including leverage, commissions, and ease of deposits and withdrawals are crucial. Lastly, exceptional customer service is a hallmark of a trustworthy broker. Once you have identified potential Forex brokers, it is essential to evaluate them thoroughly before making a decision. This evaluation involves researching and comparing various aspects of their services. Begin by verifying the broker's regulation and security measures. Confirm their licensing and registration with the relevant regulatory bodies mentioned earlier. Check online reviews and forums for feedback from other traders. Look for any history of complaints or regulatory actions. Next, compare trading costs across different brokers. Pay close attention to spreads, commissions, and any other fees they may charge. Consider how these costs will impact your overall profitability. Remember that lower costs are not always better if they come at the expense of reliability or other essential features. Evaluate the trading platform and tools offered by each broker. Consider the platform's user-friendliness, charting capabilities, order types, and any other trading tools provided. Take advantage of demo accounts to test the platform firsthand before committing real funds. Finally, assess the responsiveness and helpfulness of the broker's customer support. Contact their support team to gauge their response time, knowledge, and willingness to assist with your inquiries. Recognizing red flags. Avoiding scams and unregulated brokers. Be aware of red flags indicating scams or unregulated brokers. Protect your funds from potential financial harm. Be wary of brokers making unrealistic promises. No broker can guarantee high returns or risk-free trading. Avoid brokers using high-pressure sales tactics. Unregulated brokers are a significant red flag. Always verify the broker's regulatory status. Conclusion: making informed decisions in Forex trading. Choosing a reliable Forex broker is a critical first step in your trading journey. A trustworthy broker will provide a secure and regulated trading environment, a user-friendly platform, transparent pricing, and excellent customer support. By understanding the essential features of a reliable broker and learning how to evaluate potential options, you can make informed decisions that align with your trading goals. Remember to conduct thorough research, compare different brokers, and be wary of red flags that may indicate scams or unregulated entities. Start with a demo account to practice trading and familiarize yourself with the platform before committing real funds. Forex trading involves inherent risks, and no broker can guarantee profits. By approaching Forex trading with a cautious and informed mindset, you can mitigate risks and increase your chances of success in this exciting and potentially rewarding market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.